Okay, guys, what's up? We have over $100 worth of Pokemon cards here. Nothing big. And we also have Mike.
What's up?
No.
Yeah.
Okay. He's gonna open the first pack. So he's not gonna be here the whole time. Here, I'll open it for him. Oh.
Cool. A Charizard Rainbow.
What? You already hold on. You gotta do the. Alright, there's a code. Alright, I'll get into the intro once he gets his first pack done. Alright, so
I got it. Gray energy.
Okay. Kakuna, Louder Rad. But whatever the best card is, I'm keeping it. But
You gave me all the bad cards.
No, but best cards on back. Oh, nope.
Yeah. I want another one.
What? No.
Yeah. I'm opening this one. You open that one. See this? I got a pack.
That's a rare. No.
How is that a rare? How do you know?
Okay, here. I'll view it.
I want that one.
No, not the Pikachus. Not the Pikachus. Those are. They could have good ones in them.
Yeah, you get to keep all the cards. I just want to open it. Just want to open it, dog.
Okay, open it. Okay, so hold on.
Okay,
He's not even gonna do the card trick. Here, hold on.
I got this thing on the back.
No, but you gotta show the code. Okay, just look through them. And then the middle card is supposed to be the best since you didn't do the card thing. Let's see what Mike's gonna get here, guys. Oh,
look at that! Look at that! I win!
What?
I win!
What?
You!
Hold that.
Yeah, dog!
What?
Alright, I'll pull another one because I'm way more lucky than you.
Wait, chill. Not the Pikachus! Not the Pikachus.
I just want to pull one Pikachu.
No, not the Pikachus!
One Pikachu. Just let me pull a Pikachu.
No.
Yeah.
You got a VMAX. Holy poop. That's a good one. Okay.
Hey, you should let me pull a Pikachu or else you're not going to get any good cards.
Well, we don't know that for sure. Well, guys, I haven't done the intro yet, but the intro is going to be soon. Stay tuned for intro.
This pack's not opening. There we go.
Yeah, that took a long time for my to open it.
Alright, I got a code.
Yeah, that's the code. Look at it.
I don't know what the code's for.
That's okay. Sandile, Seedot, Peppa.
Oh, look at that. I got a trainer.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Are you going to let me open a Pikachu now? I keep getting all the good cards.
What?
Your cards were trash, dude.
I didn't even pull any.
You pulled the first one. That entire deck was yours.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're all soaked.
Hey, this is a reverse rare.
Yeah.
No. Okay, fine. I'll let you pull a Pikachu. Just because Mike pulls 2 packs and he pulls, like, what?
Yeah. You're going to want me to open all these, aren't you?
No. It's your last one.
This is my last one?
Yeah.
Then I'm going to watch Breeze and Brady deck it out.
Yeah, that's why he's pulling these first. But stay tuned for intro, guys.
I got a code.
Okay. This is Wilmar.
That's a decent card.
Let's see.
Oh, I got another one of these, but it's a hologram one.
Hologram. Alright, and that's it.
I win. Vaughn's not going to pull 2 cards better than those all
Yeah,
night.
his first 2 packs.
Yeah, buddy.
What? Oh, that was pretty good.
Yeah, no cap.
Alright. Okay, guys, we're opening a Pikachu. That was insane. Like, how? How did that even happen? Mike pulls 2 decks, and he gets an Ampharos V and a Tecoloros VMAX. He didn't even do the card trick. Sorry, the best cards he pulled. Yeah, he didn't even do the card trick, guys. Fire, energy, and I was gonna guess water, but you're still mad because you're bad. Wow, I can't believe that just happened. He literally pulled the best cards. Oh, wow. Oh, a Charizard! Sure, it doesn't look rare, but it was called an ultra rare. in this thing, and we got a nice thing here. I don't even know how to say the name, but yeah, this opening is going actually really good so far. Like really good. I haven't even done the intro like yet, basically. But yeah, hey guys, what is up? So today we're just getting right to the Pokemon cards. I didn't guess that. Of course, this is a fire energy. But yeah. Oh, also, again, big thanks to Palm Tree Investments for the shirt. I really appreciate the shirt, dude. And ooh, wow. And this guy, he's pretty cool. Tiny Charge. Wow, that's a good one right there. Nice. We're getting bombing cards, dude. Absolute bombs. I can't believe we might pull the best freaking cards, dude. Like, why? Why can't I buy this card? Like, I really wanted to, but it's fine. We're pulling holos, reverse rares, which are really rare. And ooh, Leon. He's actually undefeated in the show. And no, so I'm not gonna throw those. Dude, my room is just throwing Pokemon cards. Next pack. Alright, this is the last one I'm gonna just speed run through. Just because I'm really going fast here, guys. You gotta agree. You gotta agree. I'm speed running right now. So yeah, videos coming soon. Tomorrow, I'm actually filming a video with Xavier going to the creek, so he's not sleeping over like the ones we do with Ashley. But let's guess the energy. Metal. Oh, I did it wrong. Oh shoot, there could be a good card. Oh, I can't believe I just did that. Oh. No, I just threw this card. Are you kidding me? This is rare. This is really rare. Oh my gosh. This video has been insane. I'm just throwing cards all over the place and calling it a pack, like calling it a Pokemon video. Like, wow. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is rare. I've seen people like pull those type of cards in Vivid Voltage and they're going crazy. So let's sleeve this. Oh yeah. Look at all the energies it takes. Like different kind of energies. Oh wow. I mean, it's good to have a little pause there. Oh, throwing Pokemon cards. Oh wait, we didn't even finish the pack. Let's see what else. There's a wait, did I guess? No, I didn't guess that. Okay. Wait, I can't open this. Yeah, Palm Tree, I mean, collab pro maybe? I might collab with an investment channel, guys. I don't know, that's fine if we don't. But yeah, so stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Because I'm gonna film, I mean, it's probably not gonna be posted tomorrow, maybe it might be posted the next day, because I edit pretty fast, actually. Let's guess with fighting energy. Wow, it's not. Zing, zing. What is that? Huh, I've never seen that. Ferocity. Den Hey. Probably, yeah, I should probably like hold it back. I'll show all the hearts. It is cool. Oh, what? And what else? A mention. Oh, this video has been kind of cracked, fam. Oh my gosh. What? I've seen people pull this and their facial expression, they're like, oh, like even popular YouTubers that literally have every single Pokemon card. Wow, we've had two. Guys, don't worry, I'm gonna review the cards we've gotten, because I bet y'all can't even keep track, honestly. Let's make sure we slide that in. But yeah, this is It's kind of cracked episode, guys. Like, what? Oh, wow. Alright, what we got here? That's a pretty cool card, I guess. What else? What else? What else? Oh, yes, I had to sleeve these boys right away. It was this, Zakian, whatever, and this guy. Look at that. Oh, like, it's different. Like, that feels like straight up, and that's like a sword effect. Cool, not so bad. So, yeah, again, stay tuned for tomorrow's episode. And then these two boys. Mike literally pulled the best, like, the full art cards in the whole pack. Like, I can't believe it. His first card that he's ever pulled was a B Max. Like, what? And then we also got Charizard. One of these. Okay, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Drop a like. If we get, let's go for 15 likes. Let's go for 15 likes this time, because I'm just spending so much money. Yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. There will be a Xavier vlog where we go to the creek. It's going to be recorded tomorrow. I don't know when it'll be uploaded. It's definitely soon. Probably like Tuesday. But, so, yeah, guys, like, subscribe. Subscribe to Palm Tree Investments. I'll link his channel below, and also subscribe to my second channel. And yeah.